Before I begin, I want you to notice the title, Practicing Fingerspelling with Both Hands. Practicing. That means you will not fingerspell with both hands during a conversation. When you practice fingerspelling, however, it is good to practice signing and fingerspelling with both hands. Practicing with both hands helps you to become accustomed to spelling with either hand, as it familiarizes your non-dominant hand with the hand shapes. As we talked about in a previous video, if my dominant hand, my right hand, is unavailable, I'm holding an item in the middle of cleaning or holding the hand of a child, I can sign with my left hand. If I can comfortably sign with both my left and right hands, I may choose for that conversation to sign with my left hand dominant and then for the next conversation, my right hand. So let's get to practicing. Let's work on our favorite warm-up meme with both hands, remembering to sound out, not spell the words. I just like to smile. Smiling's my favorite. I just like to smile. Smiling's my favorite.